If you've ever run a one-sample t-test, you know how frustrating it is to build charts and calculate p-values manually. Today, I'll show you how to use this premium, automated Excel dashboard to handle the entire workflow in seconds. Navigating this template is incredibly simple. Step 1. Take your raw data points and paste them directly into column A, right beneath the blue data header banner. You don't have to sort or pre-calculate anything. Step 2. Move over to your control panel card. First, enter your hypothesized mean. This is your target value or population mean value. Next, use the built-in drop-down menu to select the direction of your hypothesis test. You can choose between a two-tailed, left-tailed, or right-tailed test. Lastly, type in your chosen significance level, like 0.05. The moment your parameters are set, look over at the metrics summary block. Everything is calculated instantaneously. Your sample parameters, your exact t-statistic, and your final p-value are formatted so you can copy and paste them straight into your research report. The plot below automatically generates a perfect student's t-distribution curve, dynamically updating your critical regions and mapping your exact sample statistics in real time. The orange segments represent your critical rejection regions, while the yellow marker instantly highlights your calculated t-statistic. If you want to save hours of manual statistical charting and upgrade your data analysis workflow today, click the link in the description below to grab this premium Excel template completely free of cost. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.